Hello, a very good day, everyone. Today I'm here to discuss about the module outline of business research methods. This outline is all about business research method. The code is BBA 6413. In this course, in this module outline, you will be able to find module content, assessments brief, module calendar, recommended reading. This is from School of Business and Management, Lincoln University College. Okay, my dear students, this course aims to give students a thorough understanding of the research process, including how to develop research questions, select appropriate data collection methods, select samples, and perform statistical and textual analysis. The focus is on cultivating practical research skills that can be applied in a business settings. Students will engage with each step of the research process from creating questions and gathering data to analyzing, interpreting, and drawing evidence-based conclusion and recommendations. In the final part of the course, students will also learn how to present research proposal in writing and orally. Okay, the following is course learning outcome. On the successful completion of this module, you will be able to develop high quality research projects by comprehensively understanding and applying various research methodologies, data collection techniques, and analytical tools relevant to the field. That is course learning outcome one. However, the second course learning outcome is all about synthesize relevant and academic industry literature to identify gaps in current knowledge, enabling them to make informed decisions about research topics, hypotheses, and questions. The third course learning outcome is compare between the two primary research methodological approaches, qualitative and quantitative, and select the most appropriate research strategy to maintain alignment with the chosen research design. Last but not least, the course learning outcome is use evidence-based conclusion, decisions, and recommendations and present research findings clearly and effectively in both written and oral forms. These are the four learning outcomes. These learning outcomes are very necessary. Okay, the module title is Business Research Methods. Module code is BBA 6413. I am the module facilitator or tutor, myself, Dr. Syed Ahmed Salman. The course is going to be offered by School of Business and Management, credit hours 3, and the level of 6. Brief description: this module develops students' ability to design and execute high quality research projects by applying appropriate research methodologies, data collection techniques, and analytical tools relevant to their field. It emphasizes the critical synthesis of academic and industry literature to identify research gaps and formulate well-defined research topics, questions, and hypotheses. Students will compare qualitative and quantitative research approaches and select suitable strategies aligned with their chosen research design. The module further focuses on drawing evidence-based conclusion and effectively communicating research findings through clear and professional written and oral presentations. Learning and teaching activities we are having through tutorial and the discussion forum. Okay, in the week one, you are going to understand about the introduction to research methodology. In this topic, we are going to understand the role of theory in research, how to evaluate the quality of a theory or explanation, research process, overview, formulating the research problem, extensive literature review, development of working hypothesis, and so on. And we are going to understand about the research design, including we are going to know about the approaches, that is deductive and inductive approach. However, in the week second, you are going to understand about the literature review. As I told, literature review plays an important role. We are going to know about the critical literature review, purpose of a literature review, characteristics of effective literature review, steps of writing critical literature review, data sources, searching for literature, evaluating, and so on. Week 3, we are going to understand about the research problems, component of a good problem statement, rationale of the problem statement, the importance of a problem in academic thesis, selecting the problem, criteria, and so on. We are going to understand in the third week. And in the third week, we are going to understand about the research hypothesis, characteristics, null hypothesis, alternative, and so on. Week 4, that is research design, we are going to understand about the experimental and non-experimental survey questions, considering a survey administrating sampling procedures, measurement error, ethics of survey research. In the week 5, we are going to understand about the theoretical and conceptual framework. In this week, we are going to know about the dependent variable, independent hypothesis, null and alternative, concept, construct, variable, and attributes. We are going to know about the data collection methods in the week 6, types of research methods and surveys, questionnaire interviews, case studies, participant and non-participant, and so on. Week 7, measurement and scaling, type of measurement and scale, the nominal or classificatory scale, the ordinary or ranking scale, and so on. We are going to understand in the week 8, that is called sampling technique, nature sampling, probability sampling, non-probability sampling. We are going to understand about the sampling methods in depth. Week 9, we are going to know about the data analysis and statistical texts. Week 9 and week 10, we are going to focus on the data analysis and statistical tests. In these classes, we are going to know about mean, median, and mode, ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, and we are going to understand about the practical lessons as well. In week 11, we are going to know about how to prepare the proposal, okay? In week 12, guide to research publication, how to write the paper, ethics committee, use plagiarism software, and so on. Okay. So this is all about, there are 12 weeks. We are going to understand week by week. I will be there for you. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me through my email or WhatsApp. Okay, assessment details. I want you to please concentrate here. Assignment allocated 20 marks, quiz allocated 10 marks, midterm or class test allocated 20 marks, final exam is allocated 50 marks. This assessment will be achieving the course learning outcome. In order to be master in business research method, you have to understand all about CLOs, course learning outcome, and how we are going to assess through assignment, quiz, midterm, and final exam. These are the main references about the qualitative and quantitative or business research methods material. If you want to know about more, please do not hesitate to contact me. Okay, there will be, as I told you just now, assignment, quiz, and class test. This is all about assignment 1. Okay, in this assignment, this assignment requires you to design a high quality research proposal that transforms a real world business problem into a structured scientific inquiry. You must demonstrate mastery by aligning a clear problem statement with a rigorous methodology, including sampling instrument design and an interferential data analysis plan to produce actionable evidence-based solution for management. Okay, paper format, that is 2000 words, 1.5 spacing, a separate title page with the author's name, the paper's title and the date, page numbers in text citation, and work citation in APA format. You are going to submit this assignment on 28th of May or June. Okay. Goals, this assignment is worth 20% of the overall class grade. Okay, so these are the main objectives for the assignment: problem diagnostic skills, methodological application, and logical alignment. Okay, please, when you are writing the assignment, please do not forget to follow the requirements and structure. Introduction and background. In this introduction and background, you are going to focus about the industry context, the business case, and you are going to write about the problem statement, and you are going to write about the hypothesis and the scope. And don't forget to write about your research objectives and research questions. Then you are going to write in section 3 conceptual framework and hypothesis, methodological framework, analytical strategy. In analytical strategy, you are going to write quantitative degree, okay, strategic contribution and expected output. These are the things are very vital when you are developing the assignment. This is the assignment criteria. Okay. Problem definition. This is the rubric. You will be having 4 types: inadequate, marginal, satisfactory, excellent. When you are discussing very proper, exceptional clarity, problem is high specific, you will be getting good marks. Problem definition and scope, objectives and hypothesis, research design and justification, sampling data collection, data analysis plan. Okay. And this is the cover page for the assignment. Please do not forget to write the module name, module code, assignment due date, name of the lecturer, your name and student ID. Okay. Please do not forget to sign and write the date. These are the assignment guidelines. When you are writing the assignment, the guidelines will be helpful for you. Okay. Please do not forget to read all the guidelines properly. Okay. If you have any question, any query, please do not hesitate to contact me through my WhatsApp and or through my email. Okay. I hope this class will be very interesting and fascinating. We are going to understand a lot of new things, and I will be applying easy methods when you are coming to the class. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you.